Hey, what's up? I have noticed that the new projectors in the price range of $200 are very similar to each other. Most of them have Full HD native resolution, 4K support, about 600 ANSI Lumens brightness, and Wi-Fi support. However, some projectors have even more features. For example, new VAABZZ D5000 has Bluetooth 5.1 support and a 10-watt speaker. Bluetooth support in projectors is very rare. However, it is a useful feature because you can connect a smartphone via Bluetooth and use a projector as an external speaker. Later in this video, we will check a Bluetooth connection and the quality of built-in speaker. If this is your first time on our channel, then you are watching Tech Brothers and you can subscribe to us right now. By the way, it looks like we are the first on YouTube to review this projector. Actually, this is a problem, because we don't know how to pronounce a name of projector, VAABZZ, WiFi, or VAABZZ. I don't know, I think it's correct to say VAABZZ. The box of this projector is very bright. There's a company logo, the image of projector, as well as happy family and main features of device on the box. Inside the box we have a carrying bag. You can use it to store or carry a projector to the office, college, or just friends. Then there's a 100-inch fast stretch screen, projector itself, remote control, and power cable in the bag. The new VAABZZ projector is not very compact. It is 320 by 250 by 115 mm. The weight is 2755 grams. This is not a portable projector because it doesn't have built-in battery. Most likely you will install it on the tripod, ceiling, or just put it on the table in your living room or bedroom and don't move it anymore. I like the combination of gray and white colors of this projector. It is amazing how colors can make a product stand out. On the front of a VAABZZ D5000 is only a lens and I/O receiver. All the ports and connectors are on the back, such as VGA port, the second I/O receiver, audio output, 2 USB ports and 2 HDMI ports. There is also a Keystone Correction knob, power cord interface, and a speaker on the back of projector. On the top we have only power button and focus wheel. Now let's take a look at the bottom. A projector stands on a rubberized feet that prevent it from slipping. Then there is a kickstand to raise the front of projector. Finally, there are 4 screw holes to mount a projector on the ceiling. A remote control looks different from a projector. It seems like it is not from this projector, but we can see VAABZZ logo, so it is okay. Now let's take a look at user interface and settings menu. First, we can choose a source for projector, such as VGA, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, USB 1 and USB 2. There is also screen mirroring. We will check this function a little later. In the settings menu we can choose a display mode from PC, whiteboard, movie and user. Then we have audio settings, where we can change a volume and choose the sound mode. The image settings include aspect ratio and projection. There is also a timer, other options, and Bluetooth in the settings menu. Okay, now let's try to connect the smartphone to projector via Wi-Fi, and then we will connect a mobile device to projector through the Bluetooth. First, you need to open the screen mirroring menu on the projector. Now you need to wait a little. Actually, I was waiting about 3 minutes, and then a new Lollipop Wi-Fi network will appear on your smartphone. Connect to this network. The password is 12345678. The next step is to open a browser on your Android or iOS mobile device. Visit the website 192.169.49.1. Now tap on Wi-Fi app and scan. In this list, you need to choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter a password from it. Now go to the screen mirroring on iPhone or Mirrorcast on Android smartphone and choose Lollipop device. That's all. If you want to connect a smartphone, headphones, or any other device to projector through the Bluetooth, first you need to go to the settings menu and turn on a Bluetooth. After that, you will find a new device in Bluetooth menu, emitter BKSP. When you connect a smartphone to projector via Bluetooth, a video projection stops and there is only a sound from the projector's speaker. It is really good, because the fan doesn't make any noise. The Edge Spotted menu. Another useful function in the app is schedule. There's also more menu, where we can change the suction power, check cleaning records, seek robot vacuum cleaner, reset lifetime of the filter and pressures, mute and set water volume. The new VAABZZ projector has a 10-watt powerful speaker, so we will need to check its quality. Let's listen to some music.
can hear your voice over me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
I also want to check a noise level of this projector. As you can see, it is about 49 dB near projector and 40 dB at a distance of 1 meter. It is not the most silent, but the noise doesn't disturb from watching movies. Finally, we can watch some videos on VAABZZ D5000 projector. By the way, I have placed a device at a distance of about 3 meters from the wall. The screen size, in my case, is about 85 inches. In general, you can place a projector at 1.7 meters from the wall and have 45-inch screen size, or 5.3 meters from the wall and have a 150-inch screen size. A maximum throw distance is 7 meters and maximum screen size is 200 inches. As already said, this is a native Full HD 1080p projector. It has a clearer picture and you can even read the text on the projection. As for the brightness, it is 600 ANSI Lumens. A contrast ratio is 15,000 to 1. You know, I really like a projection quality in the dark room.
Chicago ran the game for the first 20-25 minutes or so against Manchester United for the first time in his...
It was very aggressive defensively, the right athlete. That's a Draymond Green just putting him off there. 3rd and 6. That's incomplete. Flag comes in though. Chris Hogan with
Nicholas Cage, oh my God, I love you. He was so good in the rock. Why not go on 60 seconds? Have you seen Crew 2?
This ball. In blood.
Federal copy.
We're the bad guys.
It's crime time, baby. Star, we need a distraction.
Fine, please be subtle.
yeah, that's good. Not for the others.
Let me borrow some of these instruments.
Well, today didn't turn out like I expected. Just drive. We'll end up in the...
Best folding phone on planet Earth right now, at least in terms of form factor. So as far as foldables go, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 3
one of the best ones you can grab right now for your cash, and it is proper good, and you should definitely go watch that little cracker if it is it.
and Oppo's approach. Ooh. Phone falls out from there. It's quite a bit different. You can see the
Advantages and the disadvantages of mobile device. Actually, there are only few drawbacks, but you should know about them before buying the smartphone. Let's start with pros, and then we will talk about cons of Realme 8i. Interesting, but also very useful. I think anyone would be happy to get a robot vacuum cleaner. I have an exciting idea for you. I think that projector is also good for using in daytime. As you can see, I have a half-closed appliance, but the projection is still good. It may not be very comfortable to watch dark movies, but it is great for presentations and text documents in the office. 10 minutes of a battery life and a mopping function. You know, I haven't had robot vacuum cleaners from the PrimeBot company, so I'm very interested in testing the new PrimeBot B3.
Seems to have zeroed in. The U.S. has flipped the script a bit, now in front by...
So the main feature of a VAABZZ D5000 projector is Bluetooth support. I have tested many projectors, but only few of them have Bluetooth support. It is a very useful feature because you can use a projector as an external speaker for your smartphone. There's also Wi-Fi support, so you can connect a smartphone to projector and mirror a screen. As for projection quality, it is about the same as other $200 projectors on the market in 2021. The image quality is clear, thanks to Full HD resolution, and 600 ANSI Lumens brightness is enough for use projector in daytime. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.